ang feedback na nakukuha namin very firm and very consistent. Sino ang kumikilos na supervisor sa baba? Congressman, member of the House of Representatives. Sila nagmo-monitor. It may be a small group of people or it could also be just one person. And who is that leader of that house? He goes by the title Speaker of the House of Representatives. My good friend, my classmate, Speaker Martin Romualdez. Mr. President, 4.5 years na lang ba ang term niya? 4.5 years. Gusto ko naman namin kayo mag-succeed. Ang ganda na, may formula na for his success. Guguluhin mo ba? For what? For a procedural amendment to the Constitution na ikiklaim ninyo galing sa taong bayan? We stop this foolishness.
Nananawagan na si Senate Minority Leader Aquilino Coco Pimentel kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na kausapin na si House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Kaugnay ito ng napaulat na koneksyon umano ng mambabatas sa pagsusulong ng People's Initiative at ang kanyang hinihinalang pagiging nasa likod ng naturang hakbang.